Hey everyone, this is our Game Over Sounds car horn. This is our button version of the horn. It comes with a button which is included. Easy to hook up. Your black wire from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. So it could be a battery or just anywhere you got good ground. Your red wire comes from your horn will go to a 12 volt power source. Could be your battery, a fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12 volt power source. Then your yellow wire comes from your horn will go to one side of the button, which is included. And then you just simply run another 12 volt wire from your battery or wherever to the other side of the button and you're good to go. Now we've got this horn facing down, but it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. So this is our Game Over Sounds car horn, our button version.